Such a beautiful fish. There is sand everywhere. It would blow your mind. This smells really good. What's going on, doggies, and welcome back to another video. Okay, you may be asking yourself, field days, why do you have a massive fish hanging out of your backpack? And the answer to that is simple. This morning was off its head. I went out fishing on a boat and it was sick. I'll roll the clips on soon. But what I gotta do now, we've gotta rip some fillets off this bad boy because he's been in the sun for a little bit and it's gonna start going mushy as hell. So we'll bust some fillets off this fish and we are gonna make a fish curry that is gonna make you drool all over your phone, laptop, whatever you're watching this video on. Best fish curry ever. Look at this. This is sick. This sand is so hot. But here we are. Look at this place. Yeah. What a sick place to cook a curry. The best fish curry. It is hot as hell right now. I feel sorry for this fish. I need to get it on ice really bad. First things first, I found this perfect piece of cardboard on the side of the road. So I've been sitting on it on my motorbike seat, and that is a perfect filleting board. This is the fish that we got today. It's a bycatch. I wasn't supposed to catch this, but I am stoked that I did because it's gonna taste so good in this hella curry we're about to make. So this isn't a giant trevally and it's not a gold spot trevally. If you guys know what sort of fish this is, leave a comment below and yeah, I'd love to see if you guys know what sort of fish this is. It's not a giant trevally, it's not a golden trevally. I'll tell you at the end of the video. Such a beautiful fish, but I've got to get it on ice quickly. So we're gonna rip these big slabs off him. Really fun morning today. I had a great time. So another good thing to know is that you can actually get this beautiful fish finger of meat out of the top of their head. It starts from their eye and you get this beautiful slither out of its head. Little fish fingers. As we do on this channel, I'm gonna get into his stomach and see what he's been eating because I'm very interested. Every single fish I catch, I'm interested to see what they've been eating. Actually, you know what? While I fillet this fish, I'm gonna roll on them clips from this morning. You guys can have a look at the morning that we had. It was so much fun. You can see the boat races and catching this beast of a fish. So I'll roll them clips on now. I'll get this done and then we'll come back here. We'll have a look what's in his stomach and we'll make the bomber fish curry. All right, enjoy the footage from this morning. Yeah. Look at this morning. It is absolutely beautiful right now. Sun has just popped its head up. So we're back. We're trying to chase this little tuna and word has got out. It is super busy. We just had breakfast down the road there and there was just fishermen everywhere, local fishermen everywhere. Everybody's frothing. The levels are high right now. The fizz levels are up. So there's lots of people fishing today. I'm excited. I'm back with Andy. We've got our captain and it's gonna be on. So that's our boat for the day. These boys are going out, these boys are going out, these boys are going out. It's all happening. There's a boat there, 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 a boat there. Two boats out there. So the word's out, it's no longer a secret. There are tuna everywhere. Yellowfin trevally, those schools are still here. So if you watched the last episode, you would have seen that the boys got two yellowfin trevally and I missed them because I was cooking it. So today I'm prepared. I got my two rods ready. This is another brand new rod, PE3. I can't stop buying fishing gear, it's ridiculous. And we're back out here with the man himself, Andy. I'll leave his link in the description below. He's got a YouTube channel and he's a mad dog. So the lure that I'm flicking today is just a little stick bait, tiny little thing for the tuna. And then if we come across them schools of trevally, I've got a bit bigger gear up here. So we're pretty much doing exactly what we did last time. We're just floating around, waiting to see that big school come up to the surface and start feeding. And we'll race there and start flicking lures. But what's going to be funny is that there's another like 10 to 15 boats out here right now doing the same thing. So it's going to be like a running race to the school. Everyone's just going to be flat stick on that engine running to the school. It's going to be sick. So hopefully they come up, hopefully they surface, and we might be able to put some fish on the board. Here we go. A little school there. So this is what I'm talking about. We've just found a school of fish and there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boats running towards it. Check this out. So we've got our boat, we've got this boat, that boat and that boat. We're all racing towards it. There's one behind us and the school of fish is just here. I think it's just gone deep because the boats have showed up, but this is so funny. Exactly what I thought. It's like a running race. So it's a slow morning today. We've seen that one school of little tuna before and it was like 5 boats running straight towards it. So as we all got there, they just went deep straight away. They got scared. So we've gone way up the coast now. We're just cruising, still looking, but it is a ripper of a morning. Look at this. Full on glass off. There's a flying fish. So we saw just before a flying fish getting chased by a big barracuda, fully jumping out of the water. That was sick, but it's pretty much all we've seen. It's a slow start. This is just the perfect way to start a day. This is absolutely beautiful out here. Magic, mate. These fish must be sleeping or something because we can't see them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the drone in the air and use the drone as a bird's eye view, and we'll try to see if we can see where the schools are because, oh, what's going on here? There's a little bit of action on the, hey. Maybe I don't need to put the drone up. I'll still put the drone up. But there's 3 fishing boats and they are flying towards something. So there's 3 boats over there and they are hooking towards something. I'm not sure what. But they're both racing each other. Here we go. It's all happening now. Look how many boats there are. This guy's hooked up. Boy, they're right here.
Left.
Come on, come on, come on. Did you get strike?
Yeah,
Ah. Here we go, there they are. Oh my God. This is mayhem. As soon as these little tuna come to the surface, it's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boats just hook it full speed towards the school, and maybe one boat has enough time to get a lure in before they go deep. So me and Andy just keep laughing, like you don't even get time to cast because there's boats and lines and shit going everywhere. It's mayhem. It's sick, but we're gonna get one. All right, here's a little one.
Small, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smash that little lure. What is it? I do. Look at those little bait fish that he's eating. Ah, that's interesting. So there we go, just lost a little queenie, and now it is smoko time. Got rice, got noodles, got chicken. Andy reckons if we eat, the fish will eat.
Yeah.
So we're gonna eat and hopefully the fish pick up. We need those big schools of tuna to come in.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore.
So this is pretty interesting. There's two turtles making love right in front of us. Look at this.
Oh my god, so nice.
Making love.
Making love.
Jiggy jig, baby.
Yeah.
Woo! Finally hooked up.
Hook up, hook up.
Oh, there's like 5 or 6 of them there. Putting the new rod to work, hey? So we had absolutely no action on the light gear. So me and Andy have been flicking light poppers around on the PE4 gear. And boom. So sick.
Oh, bad dito.
Oh, he absolutely came up and smashed that popper. Oh, I got colour. Here we go. That's not what we come for, but that's a killer bycatch. Woohoo! Yeah, doggy. I'm frothing with that. Froth levels are high.
Long, yeah?
Yeah, it's long. Oh, that was so good. Came up and absolutely boofed that popper off the surface. There was like 5 or 6 of them there. That's sick. And what a sick way to christen the brand new fishing rod. I bought this yesterday. Oh, it's so good. Woo! Well, that was not expected at all. Wow. So we've been out here for about, I don't know, 5 hours trying to chase these surface fish and it wasn't happening. So we chucked poppers on for a little bit of fun. We've got to go home in an hour or two, and as soon as we put the poppers on, we brought the fish up to the surface and there was like 5 or 6 of those fish just come in like bullets and just smash that popper. That was sick. This is why I love fishing, because you don't know what to expect. See this face? It's a happy face. That was such an unexpected bycatch. Fish jumping right there. That's how you take a boat out of the water. That was a sick session. All right, we're gonna go down the beach. I'm gonna rip some slabs off this bad boy because I'm starving. So that's the way I want to start every single one of my mornings. It was actually a really, really good laugh when you see those fish and they just start like just bumping the surface and the boats just flat out. Yeah, it was a hell of a morning. So now I've just ripped off these fillets off this fish and there is something beautiful inside. Have a look at this. Here she is. A little bit of a rough job, a little bit of meat left, but it's beautiful meat. Look at that. That's going straight in the curry. But what I want to show you guys is this. This is fish eggs. And these taste absolutely beautiful. You do a little bit of a batter and you can like deep fry them and they taste really good. So we'll be taking that home. All right, big fella, what have you been eating? This is something that really interests me, to see what's inside a fish's stomach. So what's he got in here? Look at that. Ah. Oh, it smells amazing. So yeah, that's just heaps of processed fish. Not really a lot in there. So that probably grossed a few people out, me going through its stomach, but it is very interesting to see what fish eat. Like, it really intrigues me every time I catch a fish. I actually caught a GT once. It was a little GT, and I looked in its stomach and it had a bottle top, like a blue bottle top, screw top in its stomach. So actually, if I can find that footage, I'll play that right now. And inside its stomach,
Oh shit.
is the lid of a aqua bottle. That's so bad. I'm not sure if there's anything else. No, it's just that. But inside that fish is a bottle. Pretty sad when you see bottle tops inside fish. It's like, I don't know, where the humans polluting this planet. It sucks, man. Anyway, let's start cooking this curry because I am that excited. Do you guys remember what this is? This is my new best friend, the best. Things you will need for this curry. I just went to the shops on the way back from fishing and picked up a few things. Coconut cream, a lime, 2 super duper hot chilies, and a clove of garlic. A little bit of oil, a frying pan, and a knife. Gonna cut up our chili. We're gonna cut up our garlic. Another chili. Now there is sand everywhere. Oh, it's on. I can't even see the flame. All right, here we go. A little bit, a lot, doesn't matter. Have a go at that. That's what I'm talking about. All right, that garlic is starting to go brown. It's spitting in my face. So we're gonna add our coconut cream. Woo. That'll do. So I forgot one ingredient which I just spilled half of on the ground, but we got curry powder. You need curry powder. Don't be scared, that's probably enough. Look at this. Here's our beautiful chunks of fish. We're just gonna place them in here. A little bit of water. If you guys could have a sniff at the smells that are coming out of this pan right now, it would blow your mind. This smells really good. And this morning was really good. That's probably the most fun you can have with your pants on, I reckon. Epic way to start a day. Just wash all that blood and guts off my hands. That curry's got about 1 minute left and I reckon it's gonna be good to go. But I'd like just to take 2 minutes out of my day to thank you guys so much for the people who watch my videos, like, especially the mad dogs who have subscribed. Like, guys, you are everything to me. Thank you so much. It means the absolute world, truly. Don't forget the lime. Get your lime juice in there. So there we go. Fish curry, cooked in the middle of nowhere, and it's gonna taste that good. I reckon it's gonna taste that good. Yep. Oh my God. I always say it tastes so good, but this is the real deal, man. Wow, that's killer. No joke, I'm drinking this sauce. It is that good. So I'm just gonna sit here, watch the sunset, lick this frying pan dry, and that's it for me. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you haven't already. To those people who have, much love. And I guess I'll see you in the next one, doggies. Yow! I forgot to tell you the name or the species of that trevally. So it's called a brassy trevally. It looks very similar to a GT, except it's not as high as a GT and it's a little bit longer. That's all.